Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're going to start immediately. Open the tool for your system. On Windows, press Windows plus R, type CMD or PowerShell. On Mac OS, open Terminal. On Linux, use your shell. Make sure any VPN or proxy is off so you can distinguish local versus public addresses. Once the shell is open, you'll run simple commands that reveal both your machine's local address and indicators for the public address. This saves time and prevents misleading results from tunneled connections. Now run the appropriate commands and read the output carefully. On Windows, use ipconfig/all to find IP4 and IP6 entries under active adapters. The IP4 address is your local LAN IP. On Mac OS or Linux, use ifconfig or ipadder and find inet entries for each interface. If you need your public IP, use curl ifconfig. Me in the shell or open your router's WAN status page. This tells you the address the internet sees, which differs from local addresses. Finish by confirming which address corresponds to the interface you're using. Ethernet entries for wired, Wi-Fi for wireless. If you don't see expected IP4 or IP6 addresses, reset the adapter. On Windows, use network reset or disable/enable the adapter. On Mac OS, toggle Wi-Fi or restart the interface with sudo ifconfig. Make sure drivers or system network services are running. If things still fail, disable any VPN. Reboot your router, then repeat the public IP check to rule out.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.